Hello, my name is Sam Teagarden from Richardson High School, and today we are making a spicy mango colada. You will need 2 tablespoons of chamoy, 1 cup of frozen mango chunks, half a cup of water, half a tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of ice, 2 teaspoons of stevia, and 2 teaspoons of lime juice. With parental supervision, pour your mango chunks, cup of ice, your water, chia seeds, lime juice, and your stevia into your blender. Now you can have your parent turn on the blender. Once it is blended, you can pour your chamoy on the inside of your glasses. Go ahead and pour it into your glasses and enjoy your spicy mango colada.